What's going on? Making another update. I'm starting sanding, so I'm just gonna make a time lapse and we'll see how much I get done tonight. It's already kind of late, but my sleep schedule's kind of fucked up, so I'll be up for a while. I'm gonna finish the hood. I might do the valance, and then where did that fender go? I have that fender to do. We'll see how much I get done. Yeah, but I'm just gonna time lapse it. You guys know how the sanding. This is actually pretty cool. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but it's so easy and smooth. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. I'm gonna time lapse it so you guys can, I guess, see when it's done being sanded. But yeah, I just wanted to throw this together for you, so enjoy the time lapse. Okay, hope you can hear me all right. I am done sanding. I hit it with 220, 320, finished it with 400. I'm going to attempt spraying it. It's a little colder than I'd like. It's probably a little under 50 degrees Fahrenheit, so we'll see how it lays down, but I'm too anxious. I want to see what the hood's gonna look like sprayed, so I'll time lapse it again. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, it's all done. Just kidding. Yeah, this is the first coat. I went fairly light. I wanted to make sure it was somewhat even though, so I came back and hit spots that looked a little dark. Probably could have hit there a little better. But yeah, it's spraying pretty good. Time will tell once I start getting these later coats on, but yeah, it's not too bad right now for the first tack coat. Just wanted to show you guys. All right, back to the time lapse. All right, second coat is done. Coverage is getting a little better. Still see some tiger stripes, but that's okay. See if we can get rid of that on the third coat. If not, we'll do a fourth coat. It's coming out pretty good. It's definitely gonna need a sand and polish, but hey, it's rattle can. On to the third coat. Oh, and sorry, I forgot to click the button for the second coat, so there won't be a time lapse for that one. We'll just move on to the third. All right. This is the finished product. Minus clear coat. I haven't cleared it yet. I am pretty happy with the results. Let me know what you guys think. Even on the second and third coats, I was noticing a decent amount of tiger striping. So I found that literally just laying on the last coat and just pretty much smoking out whatever you're painting gets rid of the tiger stripes and kind of covers all the non-even areas. So I don't know if you guys have a better technique, but yeah, so I just literally laid on it, and I just you don't want to get too far away because then it acts kind of like a dusting and it just wipes off, but I'd say probably 5 to 6 inches away, and I just smothered the whole hood, smoked it out, we'll call it. But yeah, super happy with it. I know the lighting's not the best, but you get the idea. Not bad for a rattle can, huh? Especially once I clear it and sand it, it'll look good. All right, I might show you guys after the clear. It'll probably look the same because I'm not gonna sand it and buff it until it dries, which takes weeks, so we'll see.